December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com, and now enjoy the rest of the video. Polo GTI from the previous gen, yes, and this is one of my favorite all-time hot hatches because it's lightweight with a bit of more mods for the power. You have the power that you would like, basically power to weight ratio from a Golf. It's very light and nimble, and with a few nice upgrades you can make it a very nice dancing car. In this case we are on PS5 tires and on VMAX big brake kit. What pads were you running?
The pads that came with the kit.
Okay.
VMAX racing pads are in there.
And you have Ignite tuning, I guess?
Yeah, EcoTune Stage 2 software.
Yeah, so it's like 220 you said?
260.
260.
Yeah, 320 foot-pound torque.
Yeah, nice. It is, as you can see, wet, and sometimes dry, and sometimes wet again, and that was also what the lap was. It was wet combination of wet and dry, which was, yeah, not ideal, but it was actually quite fun to see what the car can do and how easy it is to handle even when the traction surfaces change, because, well, these tires are really good in the wet, and yeah, for front wheel drive, just keep it floored, don't lift, otherwise you might end up, well, lift off oversteer, or use lift off oversteer to your advantage, and then you can have lots of fun. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.
Thank you very much. It's brilliant.
Yeah, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
And see you next time, and you guys enjoy the lap. There you go. Okay, something was funny.
Yeah, something must have been funny.
went on the brakes.
Yeah.
And it was like, okay, well, no fun. not optimal conditions, but not less fun, I guess.
Yeah. That was mad. It's lively, isn't it?
It's good. Oh, I liked it.
It's good power, huh?
Yeah, power is good. It's linear. Brakes are good. Tires are good.
Yeah.
Shocks for this weather was very good because in the wet you want to be softer.
Oh, right, yeah.
On the dry it would be a bit maybe